Yeah.
I'm Brian.
And I'm Leslie.
And this is Early Bird Trick or Treating.
Thanks. Get him, Tiger. Oh, no candy for the fags. She said sorry.
Okay.
Denied. Walk of shame.
Man.
Walk of shame. Oh. No ups. And then it goes, oh, fail. Failed attempt. Damn Wheezy's fucks.
Round 8. Failed.
They just got home.
Alright, awkward moment. They came home.
Alright, just came home. It's a little awkward right now.
Oh shit. We walk away.
No, we run.
Oh, run, 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 run. Get out of here, get out of here. Awkward moment, run. Oh, shit. Hey. Come here. Let's have a recap. 10 houses. Let's see the candy.
Oh yeah. 2 Twixes.
2 pieces. 2 pieces. 10 houses. 2 pieces. The night is not going well for our 2 explorers. Trick or treat, not the treat. Slow down, bitch. Off the street.
Ketchup, Wheaties, and what are you? Just the official photographer, paparazzi?
Yeah, I'm the cameraman. They're famous. Not. She told them no. But they still move on. Dude, Pitmobile. Pitmobile. Thuggin'. Don't hurt yourselves. Ketchup bottle now has means of transportation. From the black man. And we ride out like thugs. Da 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 down. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Into the sunset. I saw him, he was on his computer. So he's there.
Get off your computer.
The bear says welcome.
Trick or treat.
Porque sabes que we thugs, man.